employment letters. Candidates, when they apply for the job, they are informed through letters about the written test. They are informed about the date, time, place of the interview. If they are selected, they are informed about their selection, and in addition to that, employment letter is also granted to them. These candidates, those who are not getting the job, they are informed about their rejection. So, the letters calling candidate for written test, interview letters, letters informing candidate about selection and rejection, employment, appointment letters, all are the part of employment letters. So, we'll take up all these letters. First, we'll take up letters calling candidate for written test. If the candidates are to be informed about the written test, then the letter which is written to them, certain points must be mentioned. First of all, the date, time, place of the written test should be mentioned, and the distance from the railway station and bus stand should be mentioned. If possible, if any famous tourist spot or historical place is there, that must also be mentioned, so that outstation candidates can easily locate the place for written test. Candidates must be informed whether TATA will be granted to them or not. They must be informed that roll number slip along with a tested photograph must be brought at the time of written test, and they should be informed about the type of test, whether it will be objective type, subjective type. That must be informed to them. Let us take up one specimen for the written test. First of all, company or business organization will mention its name and address. Then today's date, 28th January 2021. Then we will write down the name and address of the candidate who is supposed to appear for the written test. Then the salutation. Dear Mr. So-and-so, we are in receipt of your application for the post of accountant. Before appearing in the interview, candidates are required to undergo written test. You are required to appear in the written test at RA College, Bangalore on 30th January 2021. The timing of the test will be 9 a.m. to 12 noon. You are advised to approach the venue half an hour before the test. The test will consist of the questions, objective type question paper. The test timing is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Long answer type question paper timing is 10 a.m. to 12 noon. The candidates will not be given any TATA, those who are appearing for the test. Candidates must bring their roll number slips along with the tested photograph. And yours faithfully, the signature of the human resource manager, personal manager. Next is interview letter. If the candidates they pass the written test, then all those deserving candidates are informed about the date, time, place for the interview. Certain points should be kept into consideration while writing a letter informing the candidates about the interview. Letter should be precise, specific, to the point. It must be in a clear language. Date, time, place must be mentioned. The name of the authority before whom the candidate is supposed to appear, the authority must be mentioned. Candidate must also be informed that he is needed to bring his certificates and testimonials at the time of interview, and they must also be informed about whether TATA will be granted to him or not. Now let us take up one specimen related to interview letter. Business organization's name and address, then today's date 28/10/2021, the name and address of the candidate who is to appear for the interview. Then, dear Mr. So-and-so, you have successfully passed the written test held on 5th January 2021. Therefore, you are shortlisted among candidates competing for the post of accountant. You are therefore requested to appear for interview on 2nd February 2021 at 9 a.m. in the office of the company. Please bring your original certificates of academic records and experience. The company is not obliged to pay TATA to the candidates. And then is the signature of the human resource manager. Another one is letter informing the candidates about selection or rejection. If the candidates they are passed asked in the interview, they must be informed about that they have been selected for the job. And for that purpose, if the candidates are to be informed, certain points should be kept into consideration. First of all, express their happiness while informing the candidate that he has been selected. Mention the post for which he has been selected. Also mention the date time when the candidate is supposed to report for the job, and he should also be informed that he is to procure the appointment letter from the business organization, from the head office. The letter should be precise, it should be clear. Now let us take up the specimen informing the candidate about his selection for the post of accountant. First of all, company's name and then address. Today's date 28/10/2021, then we'll address to the candidate who has been selected for the job. Then, dear Mr. So-and-so, you will be happy to know that you have been selected for the post of accountant for which you appeared for the interview on 22nd January 2021. Please collect your appointment letter from the administrative office at the earliest. According to terms and conditions of employment, you are supposed to report for duty on or before 2nd February 2021. If you fail to turn up on or before 2nd February 2021, the vacant post will be offered to the candidate next in the waiting list. We look forward to have happy association with you in future. Then yours faithfully, signature of the human resource manager. Now, it may also happen that the candidates may not get selected for the job, and they may be in the waiting list. Then they must be informed that they are in the waiting list. Certain points should be considered while writing the letter to the candidates, those who are in the waiting list. First of all, mention that candidates are put on the waiting list and the successful candidate has been selected whose qualification and experience was better than him, and he must be made clear that if that selected candidate do not report for the job, then he will be caught. Letter should be precise, clear, to the point. Let us take up one specimen informing the candidate that he has been placed in the waiting list. Name and address of the business organization, date 28/10/2021. Then we write down the name and the address of the candidate. Dear Mr. So-and-so, thank you for coming for the interview on 22nd January 2021 for the post of marketing manager. But the post has been offered to a candidate whose skills, experience and qualification were better than you. You have been placed at the top in the waiting list. If the candidate fails to join the stipulated period, you will be offered that post. With best of luck, yours sincerely, so-and-so -- personnel manager or human resource manager. Now, we take up the next. If the candidate has not been selected for the job, then he must be informed about his rejection. Certain points should be kept into mind while writing a letter informing the candidate about his rejection. Letter should be carefully drafted so that the candidate should not feel disheartened. First of all, thank the candidate for sparing the time for written test and interview. State that the other candidate has been selected whose qualification and experience was better than him. Be precise and clear while writing the letter, and always wish best of luck to the candidate for his future endeavors and career. Let us take up one specimen informing the candidate about rejection. Company's name and address, today's date, then name and address of the person to whom it is to be informed. Dear Mr. So-and-so, thank you for coming in the interview held on 22nd January 2021. But the post has been filled by a candidate whose qualification, experience and skills are more suitable for the job. We wish best of luck for finding a suitable post that match your qualification and experience. Wish you best of luck for your future. Yours sincerely, so and so, Human Resource Manager. Now we will take up another letter, that is the appointment letter. Appointment letter is given to the candidates, those who have been selected for the job. So appointment letter is given by the employer. It is a legal document, and this document is very important if any dispute arises in future between employer and employee regarding seniority, pay scale, retirement benefits, gratuity, leave encashment. Then this letter of appointment will serve as a base, and on the basis of terms and conditions written in the employment letter, the cases are settled down. So these type of letters are in the legalistic and standardized language, and the appointment letter must contain certain details like name of the person who has been selected for the post, the name of the post, then nature of the employment, whether it is temporary or permanent, then the pay scale that must be mentioned. If any allowances are given like generous allowance, city compensatory allowance, house rent allowance, travelling allowance, that must also be mentioned. Service and retirement benefits like provident fund, pension, gratuity must also be mentioned. Period of probation must be mentioned, and the period of notice required for termination by either side. While drafting appointment letter, certain other facts should be kept into mind. That is, all the necessary detail must be mentioned in the appointment letter. Language should be standardized, legalized, free from any ambiguity. The tone of the letter should be neutral. Management should not make any promise in the appointment letter to the candidate which management cannot fulfill. Signature of the employee must be taken as an evidence. Then mention the time when the employee is supposed to report for his duty, and always express happiness to have the harmonious relations with the candidate in future. Now let us take up one specimen of appointment letter. First of all, name and address of the organization, business organization. Today's date 28/10/2021. Then you will mention the name and address of the candidate who has been selected and to whom the appointment letter is to be given. Dear Mr. So-and-so, we feel happy to inform you that you have been selected for the post of accountant for which you appeared in an interview on 22nd January 2021. According to the terms and conditions of employment, you will be placed in the grade of 5,600, 5,600, 400, 6,000. Your basic pay will be 5,000 plus generous allowance, city compensatory allowance, and house rent allowance as per company's rules, which are presently 60%, 10%, and 20% respectively. You will be placed under 1-year probation period. If the management finds your work satisfactory, you will be confirmed and entitled to Provident Fund benefits according to Provident Fund rules of the company. During the probation period, the service can be terminated by either side or giving a notice of 1 month. After confirmation, such period of notice or salary in lieu of notice period shall be 3 months. You are requested to join the organization on or before 2nd February 2021. Please intimate your acceptance of the appointment. Yours sincerely, signature of the personnel manager. Now, the candidate has been selected for the job when he has completed his 1-year probation period and management is happy about his performance. Then he will be informed about the confirmation. Let us take up one specimen of the confirmation. Company's name and address, today's date, and then the name and address of the candidate. Dear Mr. So-and-so, I would like to inform you that your services as sales executive have been confirmed by Board of Directors. Efficiency, excellence, and commitment will always be rewarded by the company. Hope you will continue to work with same dedication and commitment with which you impress the management during the probationary period. Wish you a prosperous future in the company. Yours sincerely, signature of the human resource manager. And if management cannot decide whether the performance of the candidate is up to the mark during the probationary period, management may take the decision to extend the probation period too. And if with the probation period of the candidate has been extended, then the letter will be written to him informing about the extension of the probation period. Now let us take up one specimen letter informing the candidate about extension of probation period. Name and address of the business organization, today's date, then name and address of the person whose probation period is extended. Dear Mr. So-and-so, you are informed that the management is extending your probation period for another 1 year up to April 2022. The terms and conditions of employment shall remain the same. Yours sincerely, signature of the human resource manager. So that's all regarding the employment letters.